Hello,
Uptown Swing.
this is Maddie,
That's Jeremy.
and we taught this week Level 2 Charleston, Tandem Charleston turns. It was thoroughly fun.
Yep, it was pretty good. We also learned the S turn.
That's right.
The S turn, and look a little something like this. Bop, bop, bop.
And it's 10 counts.
We talked about our diverging footwork. Followers, we have that rock step in there. Leaders are keep stepping the whole time.
That's right.
And we talked about leaders having to let their arms sort of go back to make that connection really nice for followers so they get to have that rock step.
And we also taught 3 turns. Those look like this. We started out with the quarter turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did a full followers turn, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we had the leaders do join them. And it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Great work. We'll see you next week. Practice.